Hello, I am Resham and you're watching Renown Films and Entertainment. Firstly, welcome back to our channel and आज की वीडियो बहुत ही एक्सक्लूसिव होने वाली है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. Trust me on that because आज मैं एक रिएक्शन वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ and I'm sure that you're gonna love it because जिस चीज़ पे मैं रिएक्शन देने वाली हूँ वो आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा. जैसे कि हमें पता है कि मिस यूनिवर्स का अभी जो पेजेंट्री है वो अभी हुई है लाइक May 16 को, और सुबह ही हर जगह द न्यूज़ चैनल्स वर फ्लडेड विद द न्यूज़ कि मिस मैक्सिको, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू हर, शी अटेन दैट टाइटल एंड शी ट्रूली डिजर्व्ड इट. तो she attained it and I'm really glad. But जैसे personally I'm really into pageants and stuff. मतलब मुझे चाहे Miss World हो, Miss Continent, Miss Grand, I have been following them and I love them completely. मतलब I am like the कीड़ा of the pageantry, मुझे सब पता है. बट इस बार बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन एंड सिचुएशन इन आवर कंट्री इज़ नॉट दैट ग्रेट, तो मैंने एक्चुअली इस बार लाइक पहली बार होगा कि मैंने मिस यूनिवर्स जो एक्चुअली 1 साल बाद हुआ है लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक उसमें गैप हो गया था, तो इसीलिए मैंने इतना इस बार फॉलो नहीं किया. ऑफ कोर्स मैं इंडियन जो हमारी कैंडिडेट थी, कंटेस्टेंट थी एडलिन कैस्टलिनो, उनको मैं बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो कर रही थी एंड आई यूज्ड टू मेक श्योर कि मैं उनके सारे वॉक्स देखूं एंड एडमायर हर इवनिंग गाउन एंड एडमायर एवरीथिंग. आई जस्ट लव हर, सो आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट. बट ऑनेस्टली मैंने बाकी जैसे जो कंटेस्टेंट्स है बाकी कंट्रीज़ के जो 73 अदर कंटेस्टेंट्स थे उनके बारे में इतना कुछ जैसे नहीं जाना. सो एक्चुअली अब जैसे हमें पता है सारे राउंड्स हो चुके हैं, मिस यूनिवर्स डिक्लेयर हो चुकी है, बट सबको एक होता है ना कि यार वो विनिंग आंसर क्या होगा या विनिंग स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा. सो आज मैं अभी तक मैंने नहीं देखी है, ट्रस्ट मी, तो मैं अभी विनिंग आंसर्स लाइक जो टॉप 5 है उनका विनिंग आंसर्स क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड वो अभी प्ले करेंगे एंड यू आर गोना सी माय रिएक्शन एंड ऑल्सो जो उनके स्टेटमेंट्स हैं वो भी हम देखेंगे एंड वी आर गोना सी हाउ इट गोज. एंड मुझे किसी के बारे में नहीं पता अदर देन इंडिया एंड ऑफकोर्स अब मैक्सिको जो बनी है मिस मैक्सिको, तो उनके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता है. बट लेट्स सी कि उनका एक्चुअली विनिंग आंसर क्या था और हमारे इंडियन कैंडिडेट उनका क्या आंसर था विच एक्चुअली हेल्प्ड हर अटेन द 4th पोजीशन. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक. I'm sure उनके हार्ट में like beating so fast.
Corresponds to the name of a member of the selection committee. Then they're going to ask you a question and you're going to have 30 seconds to answer it. If you run out of time, you'll hear this sound.
And that actually happened.
Call that being saved by the bell, right, Slater? I mean, Maria? The top 5 are probably too young to get that reference, but I appreciate it anyway. I can tell by the look on these ladies' faces that they are focused, chomping at the bit to begin the final question round. This year, the questions were written by our contestants, and as always, interpreters will be provided if requested. Mexico.
मतलब कंटेस्टेंट्स ने क्वेश्चंस तैयार किए थे. मैक्सिको द विनर. Confident. Her walk was confident. She is very confident. Oh, she's a former Miss Universe itself.
If you were the leader of your country, how would you have handled the COVID-19 pandemic?
I knew this was coming. This kind of questions.
I believe there's not a perfect way to handle this hard situation such as COVID-19. However, I believe that what I would have done was create a lockdown even before everything was that big, because we lost so many lives and we cannot afford that. We have to take care of our people. That's why I would have taken care of them since the beginning. Thank you, Mexico.
So the fact कि आई रियली लव्ड हर पार्ट कि एक्चुअली इसका कोई प्रॉपर सोल्यूशन, जैसे हमें पता है कि कोविड-19 में आप क्या ही बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट अगर सबको पता ही होता तो अभी कंट्री की एंड पूरे वर्ल्ड की कंडीशन ही अलग होती. बट द फैक्ट दैट शी एक्चुअली क्लियरली पॉइंटेड आउट कि अगर पहले ही लॉकडाउन लगवा दो, पहले ही इफ यू कीप द मेजर्स, तो दैट्स अ गुड पार्ट. एंड दैट वाज एक्चुअली अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट आंसर. एंड नाउ आई नो कि ये क्यों शी won that title. One of the things.
Thank you, Mexico. India, you're up.
India. She is walking really slowly. Somehow I feel थोड़ा confidence में थोड़ा सा something that I believe. But now this is a great move. Trying to be funny. She is funny. Little goof up.
Your question is coming from Tatiana Orozco. Should countries lock down due to COVID-19 despite the strain on their economies? Or should they open their borders and risk a potential increase in infection rates?
Very basic wala.
Good evening, universe.
Confident.
Coming from India and witnessing what India is experiencing right now, I have realized something very important. That nothing is more important than your health of your loved ones. And you have to draw a balance between economy and health. And that can only be done when the government works with the people hand in hand and produces something that will work with the economy. Thank you.
So actually ये पूरा both ways वाला आंसर था कि not choosing one thing in particular. And by the way, she looks ravishing.
Please step forward and make your selection.
First runner up,
Universe.
Brazil.
Number 1. Okay, your question comes from Cheryl Atkins Green. In many countries, women are still considered incapable of being world leaders. Convince these countries that they're wrong. Women
Good question.
are such an important part of the society, and just because we're not encouraged in the same way that men are, we have our potential wasted. The world needs women contributions because we came for some reason, and I invite every woman to understand that we are the leaders of our lives, and yes, we can do a lot for our communities. So please take your power.
Leaders of our lives. I really like that statement.
Thank you, Brazil. Thank you.
Good one. Short and crisp.
Dominican Republic, please make your pick.
A confident walk indeed.
Number 7. Number 7, your question will be coming from Christine Duffy. The night she won Miss Universe, Susie Tunzi explained the importance of teaching leadership to young girls. How would you do that as Miss Universe?
La noche que ganó Miss Universo, Susi explicó la importancia de enseñar el liderazgo a las chicas jóvenes. Si tú ganas Miss Universo, ¿cómo harías eso?
She actually took a help of a translator.
Good night. Thank you for the question.
Vengo de una familia completamente llena de mujeres,
I come from a family completely filled with women,
de las cuales me he impulsado para ayudarlas hoy día.
of which have helped me, propelled me to help them today.
Trabajando con mi organización sin fines de lucro, Orfanato Niños de Cristo,
Working with my nonprofit, Fines de Cristo.
entiendo que no tengo que tener un título para ayudar a todas aquellas niñas necesitadas a enseñarles cómo ser líder.
I understand I don't need a title to be able to help others and to be able to support them.
Don't need a title. Good one.
Thank you.
Answering in her own language is a good move. That's what I believe. It's a good thing. Even India should have maybe gone for that thing. Peru. She's good, confident. Love her gown.
Number 2. Right, number 2.
Sweet.
Your question is coming from Zuleika Rivera.
Wow.
Miss Peru.
2006
What would
university.
you say to the women watching tonight who are currently experiencing sexual or domestic abuse?
Tough one.
I will tell them that I admire their strength, that they're survivors, and that I've been there too. I became the hero of my own story. That's why I advocate to save little girls from being victims. They're survivors, they're heroes. They have the power, and don't ever, ever make anyone silence your voice.
I think this is really good.
Great answers, ladies. Wow, just like
So now the reaction on the Q&A is finally done, and according to me जिस contestant का मुझे आंसर सबसे मेरे अकॉर्डिंग सबसे अच्छा लगा वो था मिस पेरू का, फॉर शो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, बिकॉज आई थिंक शी वॉज क्रिस्प, कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड जब वो बोल भी रही थी सो शी मेड श्योर कि शी एम्फसाइज्ड एंड ऑन एवरी वर्ड दैट शी स्पोक, एंड वो बहुत टू द पॉइंट थी, एंड समहाउ आई थिंक शी गेव द राइट आंसर, एंड वो डायरेक्शन of the answer was also right to the point, and I also think कि जो उनकी जज थी उनको भी वो पसंद आया, and I think she was very convincing is the word, so yeah. And अब तो ये थे Q&A जिसमें I think everyone was confident, and like talking about India was also very confident. Just I think when she walked, she made that walk from standing beside the other contestants until जहाँ पे उसे आंसर देने जाना था, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा वो जो गैप था उसमें she was little, maybe she was overthinking, I don't know, वहाँ पे मुझे पर्सनली लगा, बट याश आई थिंक शी कवर्ड इट अप जब उन्होंने वो अपना पीस पिक किया पेपर एंड शी सेड कि क्वेश्चन उनको मिला, तो उस टाइम पे शी वाज ट्राइंग टू बी लिटिल फनी, एंड बहुत ही अच्छा मूव था, एंड आई थिंक इंडिया इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एलिगेंट जो कंटेस्टेंट है, एंड शी वाज वेरी टू द पॉइंट. हाँ, थोड़ा डिप्लोमेटिक था, मतलब एक उसमें नहीं किया, बट आई थिंक इसमें इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑल्सो, यू कैन जस्ट टेक वन साइड, लाइक मैक्सिको ने भी नहीं लिया, तो दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, मिस मैक्सिको ने, एंड या इट वॉज अ प्रिटी गुड थिंग दैट शी डिड. एंड अब देखते हैं कि ये तो हो गए Q&A की बात, अब देखते हैं कि जो स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं, जो विनिंग स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं, दे गेट अ टॉपिक एंड दे हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट, सो लेट्स सी उसमें क्या इनका, मेरा रिएक्शन क्या है, देखते हैं. वेट,
For the final statement,
the fact that they already know bits about the current affairs is good, so they won't lose their confidence. Again, a very confident walk.
changing beauty standards.
Changing beauty standards, it's her topic. A good topic indeed.
Vivimos en una sociedad que cada vez
Speaking in her own language, a good move.
y así como hemos avanzado como sociedad, también hemos avanzado en los estereotipos.
as we have advanced as a society, we've also advanced with stereotypes.
Hoy en día, la belleza no radica solamente en cómo nos vemos.
Nowadays, beauty isn't only the way we look.
Para mí, la belleza radica en nuestro espíritu, en nuestra alma y los valores con los que nos manejamos.
For me, beauty radiates not only in our spirit, but in our hearts and the way that we conduct ourselves.
No permitan nunca que alguien les diga que no tienen valor.
Never permit someone to tell you that you're not valuable.
That you're not valuable. Good one.
Thank you, my hero.
Confident, crisp, and to the point. Again.
India, you're up next.
India, yeah.
Free speech and the right to protest.
Free speech and the right to protest. Tricky one.
The right to protest. We've seen many protests in the recent
Underconfidence.
days. Especially I want to point out the protests that women have made throughout the years with equal rights. Until today we lack in them. Because protest helps us raise our voice against what's happening
Humble.
against inequality. It helps minorities in any democracy to raise their voice. So the protest is very important. But what's not important is when you use it. Because with every right comes a responsibility. So use it with power. Thank you.
I like her statement. In the beginning, she actually looked a little not underconfident, little less confidence, but I think her answer was really nice. Like her statement, not her answer. Yeah. Confident. Brazil is also nice.
Mental health. Mental health is still a very stigmatized topic, and it keeps us from giving the right assistance to those in need. So may we all tonight remember to normalize conversations about anxiety or depression, because we all hurt sometimes, but we don't need to face it alone. May we all come together, because togetherness is our strength, and together we can overcome anything. So let's support each other, let's share empathy.
She has that aggression in her speech. I really like that, and she connects more with the audiences. Like she mainly refers to the audiences, so she forms a connection. So I think that's a good thing. Has that aggression. She's one of the fine ones I've seen. Not that kind of a confident walk.
Durante esta pandemia,
During this pandemic,
mi país, República Dominicana,
my country, Republic of the Dominican Republic,
asumió el 23% en pobreza.
has risen to 23% poverty rate.
Para mí, estar aquí al frente de ustedes, pudiendo representar a la República Dominicana,
For me, being able to be in front of
Smiling face. Good one.
representing Dominican Republic,
es un gran orgullo poder decir que va a ayudar a nuestro turismo, que nosotros los seres humanos
that makes me incredibly proud that it will help my tourism and us as human beings.
tenemos que tener en cuenta
Exceeding the
que
time
son
limit.
muchas personas que están allá afuera que les podemos ayudar a sobrepasar todas esas cosas.
And we have to realize there are so many people out there that need our help and that we can overcome anything.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dominican.
Okay,
Good one.
you're up.
Yeah, someone I like an answer I really loved. I love her gown, it's so beautiful. Climate change.
It is our collective responsibility to start taking action in order to save our planet. Just by little we can start making a difference. Little by recycling, by teaching young generations about taking care of our beautiful, beautiful earth. We're just here for one time, and this is the time that we have to start.
She's way too good.
Thank you.
Very confident. Her answers are beautiful. Very deserving. Honestly, she's my favorite.
Coming up, you'll each have another chance to leave a lasting impression in the final look, along with a performance by international megastar Luis Fonsi. If you don't miss it.
So that was up for the statement round. My reaction, and according to me, Miss Peru, she is amazing. She has won my heart, and I think वो बहुत confident थी. And कुछ लोग होते हैं ना कि वो natural orators होते हैं, उनकी naturally इतनी communication skills इतनी मतलब मक्खन जैसी होती है, इतनी अच्छी है. So I think she's one of them, and I really liked her, and because I think not only उनका confidence अच्छा था, but also I think जो answers थे, उनमें depth थी, and they were to the point. Also, of course, अगर आप top 5 तक आए हो तो you all are winners. They all were winners, and but हाँ, honestly मेरे हिसाब से Miss Peru was really good. Mexico, of course, she's the winner, and आप सिर्फ एक फाइनल फिनाले देखते हो, वो पूरा 1 महीने या उससे भी ज़्यादा देर उनको हर दिन जज किया जाता है. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट द Q&A या स्टेटमेंट या वॉक के थ्रू ही होता है, हर एस्पेक्ट उन पे नज़र होती है. सो लाइक उनके स्विम सूट राउंड्स होते हैं, नेशनल कॉस्ट्यूम राउंड्स होते हैं, एवरीथिंग. सो कीपिंग ऑल दैट इनटू कंसिडरेशन वो सब होता है. सो ऑफकोर्स उसके बाद द डिजर्विंग वन इज द विनर, एंड उसके हिसाब से मिस मेक्सिको इज द विनर, लाइक वी नो. And yeah, so that was all for today's segment. If you like today's video, then please सब्सक्राइब आपने कर लिया होगा, आई एम श्योर, बट स्टिल आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग यू नो, अगर आपने नहीं किया है देन आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग इट अ पॉइंट कि वहाँ उधर है सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन, प्लीज़ click that button and subscribe to our channel which is Radon Films Entertainment. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook and please share this video. मेरा रिएक्शन दूसरों तक जाना चाहिए ना, पता तो होना चाहिए। एंड जिन लोगों ने ये Q&A वाली वीडियो एंड स्टेटमेंट, आई एम श्योर बहुत लोगों को तो स्टेटमेंट पता भी नहीं होंगे कि एक स्टेटमेंट राउंड भी होता है विच इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी गुड, तो उनको ये पता होना चाहिए। और मैंने भी जो चीज़ें देखी हैं, दिस वाज लाइक माई फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने इस साल का वो देखा, तो पता होना चाहिए ना, people should know what my reaction is, don't you think so? So please do like, share and subscribe to Radon Films Entertainment and keep watching and please keep loving our videos and content. Thank you for watching.